So hey guys, Shubai Keys, you come check out Bagels Finance token airdrop here live on CoinMarketCap. First on the list, we're adding into our watch list. That's first step. Price range 0.5814. And today is not really the best days for cryptocurrency. You can see the price of Bitcoin is currently moving in funny directions. So guys, you can toggle this button to see the lows and highs of this particular cryptocurrency. So the lows of 0.4 to highs of 0.8. It's currently at 0.5. So the market data is tracked, which is good. That's a good one. Then we have this airdrop is on the smart contract of Binance Smart Chain. It has been audited by SETIC. And it seems to look good. Total airdrop amount is $22,000. That's what they're giving out. $22,000. Then we have airdrop by Bagels. Each participant is going to get about 17.5 Bagel token. So airdrop is going to be from September 17 to it's going to end by September 17th. It's going to start in 59 minutes from now. So it's starting already. Then they're giving out 35,000 Bagel tokens to 2,000 winners, which are usually randomly selected. So all you need to do, fulfill your part, add them to your watch list, make your watch list public, go to Twitter, follow them, retweet, comment your tokens airdrop events. Here's the tweet to be retweeted. Join in vault or leverage to start farming in program duration. Locking the Bagel to both room in program duration. Fill in the airdrop form and leave your BSC address. The form will be available on. Okay, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this directly. One love guys, feel free to subscribe if you want updates such as this. We'll be here to attend to you. If you have any questions, let us know. One love, and then feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Bye, kids.